Welcome to Triad Solution. And in today's topic of Power BI, we'll be seeing the pricing and various versions of Power BI and the installation of Power BI desktop step-by-step process. So let's see today's topic with how this Power BI pricing and plans goes. So Power BI pricing and various versions. So as we know, they have various versions as Power BI Desktop, Power BI Pro, and Power BI Premium. So this desktop is a free interactive tool that connects multiple data sources, transform data, and creates visualized reports. Whereas Power BI, it's a Pro where you get full access to the Power BI dashboard, creation of reports, along with unlimited sharing and viewing of reports. Coming to the premium, it is used for the large organization with a dedicated storage capacity for each user. So there are some pricing variation as a desktop. It's a free version. Next, coming with the Pro, per user, which it costs 8.20 pound, and for in terms of dollars, it is around $10 to $20 per user. And coming to the premium per user, it's 16.40 pound. And for the embedded, where it pays variable as per the versions and the pricing, the users may get additional option to utilize it. So let's see the other topic, how the installation process of Power BI goes. So first you need to go into the website, or you can just go into the Google form and click on the Power BI Microsoft.com. Once you get the page where you can click here. So once you go into the Microsoft.com, where you can see the pages in the product base where you can select the Power BI, and once you go where you can see the desktop, and after clicking the desktop you get an advanced option. So you have an advanced download option, and after clicking on that, where it gives an option to select which language. So you need to select the language English and click on the download. So once you click on the download option, where you have different files with the version bit provided. Once you click on that, where you have a pop-up window where you need to select the desktop setup version. After setting up, where you find you can run the installation file following with the screen displayed. So once you click on the finish option, you accept the license agreement with the screen to finish the installation. Once the installation is done, you can see where the screen gets launched. So this is the Power BI workshop and the screen. Once you click on the trial version, where you can open the desktop. So here we need to give your user ID and the password. So this is the one where you can open your account, where everything gets open. So this is how the installation process goes. Thank you all.